you do it. So without further ado, we're going to get started. So here I have my project that I'm working on. I'm not going to go too much into detail of what this project does or anything because my main focus for this video is to more or less take the approach of learning as I'm building. So as of right now, I have this error. It's because I'm using this in a place where it's no longer available. But right now, I'm working on creating a pet assessment. I was running into some issues earlier on creating a hook. So if I go into, let's see, I think it was, so, okay. So here I have this, I was trying to create a hook and call it in the submit once the user submits their information. However, the use hook, you cannot use it, I just found out you cannot use it in a function. You have to be able to use it in the component, which is not ideal because once the user submits their application, submits their information, this function gets called. And so whatever happens in here is what you want it to do. So what I'm trying to do is have it post to the database. Now, if we go to, I would probably have to look at my database real quick. Look at pets. And let's, so I have these two pets right here. I'm going to go ahead and delete them because what I'm trying to do is unable to leave it as a function by foreign key. Okay, that's fair. Don't delete them. I'll just create, I'll just go into, I'll do it in a different way. Okay, so basically I was trying to create a custom hook, called use post pet info. However, that didn't work out because you can't call custom hooks within a function. So I converted it, so to see if it will work if I just have it in a function, I created this function up here, passed in the body and all that good stuff, and did some conditionals based on what happened. So it worked, we were able to post. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete this because we no longer need that. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this hook because we don't need that. And delete this. So we got the symptoms from here. Okay, so we have these two functions now. I'm trying to see what would be the best way to break this out. Because we could do, since it's not a hook, we could create, let me see. So let's go to Google, expand this, and let's just say React.js, let's see, React.js post request with parameters. Let's see what that gives us. Used to post request in React with example code. So let's see what these guys say. Okay, they're doing it straight from the on-click. That's not really what I'm trying to do. Oh, this is what. Post request using fetch with React hooks. Post request using fetch with async. I guess what we can do for now. So I like to try to reduce the amount of code that is in the component, just because it could take a lot to try to find code or whatever, and it's just easier the shorter it is. But there's times where it's just not going to be possible. So in this situation, I extracted the symptoms, fetching the symptoms. So we have that as a custom hook, and we have this to post. This will not be run. It will not run until it hits the on submit. So in this case, what we want to, if it's successful, we want to navigate the user to the results. If it's not, so if it's failed because the user has, so we have to actually create a state called has pet, set has pet, to use state, and we'll have it actually as false. So if the pet already exists, what we want is for the user to be alerted and then create like a link. So in this case, so let's work with me here. So in this case, when we say it's not defined, I just deleted that. That's my bad. So when we go in here, and so this page has already been created. It's in the database. Should bleed this out. So instead of this, nothing happens. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we could do it outside, so we could do this right here. It says as pet. If it's true, say, for now we'll just do a P and says pet already exists. So when we do this right here, oops, just start over. Pet already exists. Let's not do the reset. Wait, actually, yeah, we can reset the form. That's fine. So then we want to say, like, maybe we can say something like click, and then do here to view pet. actually, I think we need to import. I think we're using React. We are using React Router, so let's import link from React Router. Instead of using the a tag, we're gonna say link, and then we're gonna say two. I'm gonna say two. We'll do what's the dashboard. Here we go. Take them to the dashboard. Click here to view. So we go here, and you can see that Mika has been created. Awesome. So go here, test this one more time. Pet already exists. Click here to view pet. Perfect. Now this is obviously going to improve with some design, but for now, just the functionality is what I'm trying to accomplish here. So sweet. Now that we have that going for us, let's go ahead and keep on sort of dividing our code and just trying to make it a little bit more maintainable.